Watch as we transform this floor from uneven to perfect, leveled and ready for a flawless finish. This floor was 6 to 8 millimeters out of level. The UK standard allows a maximum of 3 millimeters deviation over a 2-meter area. Why leveling matters? Leveling is very important for preventing lippage, creaks and failures. The client wanted herringbone fitted next week, so a flat base was essential to avoid creaks and uneven joints. The biggest challenge here? Time. The client needed this floor leveled and ready for fitting within just 1 day. First, we scraped and cleaned the surface to ensure proper adhesion. Then, we primed the floor to prepare for the leveling compound. Next, we mixed the leveling compound to the perfect consistency. Once everything was prepped, we carefully poured the leveling compound, ensuring an even spread across the entire floor. After pouring, we used a spike roller to eliminate air bubbles and achieve a smooth, even finish. All done. The floor is now perfectly level and smooth, ready for herringbone laminate to be fitted straight on top. No dips, no creaks, just a solid base for the next stage of the project.